Today we shall learn the formula related with the chapter transformation formula of trigonometry. What you know? Sin A plus B, that is sin A cos B plus cos sin B, and sin A minus B, that is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So if we add these two equations, what we will get? These two terms will be eliminated. So we will get, that is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, that is 2 sin A cos B. Similarly, if we subtract this second equation from the first equation, this term will be vanished and we will get, that is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, that will be 2 cos A sin B. Again, we know cos A plus B, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B we know cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So if we add these two equations again, what we will get? These two terms will be eliminated, that is 2 cos A cos B, that is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And similarly, if we subtract this this equation from this fourth equation, what we will get? That is, this term will be vanished, then it will be 2 sin A sin B, that is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So, 4 formula we learned, that is 2 sin A cos B, that is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin B, that is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, and 2 sin A sin B, that is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This formula is very important. My experience says that the students mostly did wrong in this particular formula. Okay. Now, if we put this A plus B is equal to C and C plus A minus B angle, that is equal to D. Again I am telling, the angle A plus B, it is C. Let us took that it is C, and A minus B, this angle is D. Then what will be A? That is C plus D by 2. And what is the angle B? That is C minus D by 2. That is, we expressed A and B in terms of C and D. Okay. Now put all these 4 values, that is A plus B, that is equal to C, A minus B is equal to D, A is equal to C plus D by 2, and B is equal to C minus D by 2. In these 4, we will get these 4. Let us see how. That is sin A plus B, that is equal to C. So sin C plus sin D, that is equal to, you put the value of A here and B here, that will be 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. After that, for the second equation, for the second formula, sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Instead of A and B, we put the values. Okay. Now the third formula, that is cos C plus cos D, that is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2, and cos D minus cos C, that is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2, putting the value of A and B here. Okay. Now this last formula, this 8th formula, if we multiply minus both the two sides, what it will be? The left hand side will be cos C minus cos D, and this minus sign of the right hand side will be adjusted with this angle. As you know, sine of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So this angle will be sin D minus C by 2. So ultimately the formula will be cos C minus cos D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. So what are the 8 formula we learned? Again I am telling, the first one 2 sin A cos B, that is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. The second one 2 cos A sin B, that is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B, that is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Then sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos D, that is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And the last one cos C minus cos D, that is 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin d minus c by 2. Again the last one is very important. It is sin d minus c by 2.